Good day everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pay for Facebook ad with your bank accounts. Now Facebook has bring an update in this 2024 that you can pay for your Facebook ad with bank transfer, no matter the bank, the country you are chatting from. If you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in USA, you're in India, anywhere you are chatting for, this tutorial is for everybody that you are using Facebook ad for your business. So there's an update I want to show you today. So let's dive into the study. You go into your Facebook page. This is one of my clients' Facebook page. Let me go to the home page. So I will show you how this thing work. Now this is the home page. There are many ways to make payments on your Facebook page. So for instance, let me go to the Facebook page. I will click on the page. This is the name of the page. For instance, let me say I want to boost this advert. I'll click on boost. Let's see what will happen if you load the ad processing account for us. So now we are going to see it now. Wow, this is where we are going to set our advert. I believe you guys know how to set up Facebook advert. I'm not going majorly to that particular in this tutorial. What I'm going to show you is how you can make your payment. I discover many people are having issue making payment. Maybe they are not accepting your card, your credit card, your debit card. They are not accepting it, and you don't have a dollar card. If you want to create a dollar card, you can check a pop-up at the right corner of this video that will show you how you can get a virtual dollar card that can work for global payment anywhere in the world. So now I want to make a payment, for instance, now for this ad. So I will just click on add fund. So when I click on add fund, we are going to see different payments that Facebook gave us. Now the first payment method, this one is for dollar card. If you are in Nigeria, your normal bank card will not work. So you have to use a virtual dollar card. If you are using the first payment method that is showing in display, you can see I add one of my dollar card here. That's what is showing here. Now, the latest one that was updated, by Facebook is pay by bank transfer. So when you click on bank transfer, you will click on next. After clicking on next, the phone number that you use to register your bank account, you put it here. They will now generate account number for you and give you a particular minute for you to pay with your bank app. So let me put my phone number. This is my phone number, for instance. I will click on continue, and let's see what is going to happen. The Facebook will automatically generate a virtual bank account for us with one of the bank in our country. You can see now they have generated a bank account for me. I'm in Nigeria. Now I'm to pay 4,500 naira for this ad, and the bank they give me is Paga, which is one of the bank in Nigeria. So what I do is go to your mobile app, you just go there and do the transfer, or you can use USSD code. So this is how I make payment. You don't need card, you don't need any ATM card, you don't need to struggle with any ATM card again. You can pay with your USSD, you can pay with your bank app. So you guys should try this thing out and give me feedback and let me know if it works. I've tried it out and it will work for my client. So paying for Facebook ad is very easy in 2024. You guys try it out. You don't need to struggle with any card again, and stay tuned to this channel to get updates on the latest tutorial that I'm going to be releasing on this particular channel. Make sure you like this video, share it to your loved one, people that may need it. And Facebook, when you like this video, do you know what will happen? Facebook is YouTube, they are going to share it to other people like you that like to watch this video. All right, thanks for your support. See you next time.